This is part 2 of driving in the winter storm on the Platinum. We're going downhill and it looks really dangerous. I mean, the Platinum, we're going 50 miles, 15 miles. Let's see the results when we stop here. I mean, it will stop because it's like this, and then goes up. But this is another downhill, so yeah, let me put my zipper on. Got my zipper out. Now, it looks not bad, but it is really bad. That's what I need to say. It is really bad. So let's see how the Platinums do on this winter storm. So hopefully you guys enjoy the last upload. I mean, I know, bloopers and everywhere, but I got something out for you guys. That's what it matters. This entire road is completely covered in snow. Wow, no cars going. Let's go. Algo que lo mantenga así el teléfono. Algo que mantenga el teléfono. And I think the focus on the camera looks better because filming with my camera. Well, red light stuck. Oh, now it's green. Green. Oh, got a little pool there. I'm gonna turn into this bridge. Let's see what we get. Oh my god, this bridge is completely covered in snow as well. So my dad is pushing the gas a little. Let's see. I got faith on the Platinum that we will make it back home real soon and in one shape. In one piece, I mean. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, now is the perfect time to talk about yesterday's video. I'm here at C-Town, by the way. I know, yesterday's video, I mean, it was not the best video, but it was kind of a lot of bloopers. I know there was a lot of bloopers on that video. And I just want to say sorry about it. I know I'm not the best YouTuber, the perfect YouTuber, but I'm telling you, my skills will get better over the time. And yeah, this is all I can say for that. But I hope you really enjoy it. For now, I'm not going to keep filming because really there's no action to do. But I catch you guys when, I know, my father comes back getting some lunch. And yeah, let's go. And plus, like I say on the beginning of the other video, part 1, the GMC Acadia no longer will be in our driveways. I mean, it will, but for now it will be, but I think it's time for a change on that vehicle. As my mom just told me, my dad just told me, and it's true because that car has no warranty on anything. No motor, transmission. If anything happens to the transmission or motor, my dad needs to pay for it, and trust me, it's gonna be expensive. And I know it will be sad because that was the first vehicle that we bought. I mean, not really. We bought the XOT when we were here. Then we bought a Honda Civic. Then we sold that car and we got a GMC Terrain. But we trade that in for the Chevy Silverado that I was talking in the other video, which I'm gonna make a whole video about that, why I'm talking about the Silverado, and you will see. But then we got the Acadia first before we got the Silverado. So yeah, the Acadia has been in our hearts, in our life for a couple years, almost 3 years now. And before we paid off the whole bill, we want at least to trade it in for a better vehicle. I mean, we're still thinking about doing the same Acadia, but you know, just newer. But I don't know. Let's see what my dad says, and yeah. Now let's keep having fun on the Platinum. Yeah, having fun. Well, now is the perfect time to show you guys my best friend's YouTube channel. As you can see, he plays Helmet Royale. I mean, not really know this video. He was just talking about what kind of videos I am going to do the future, update on future videos. Yeah, it's tons like that. But this was his third video. He has 7 subscribers now because I just subscribed from him from my dad's phone, and I'm gonna subscribe from him on my sister's and my mom's phone. But you can have 10 subscribers or 9, something like that. But as you can see, plays Helmet Royale. Hi, I'm Shadow Walker, but you could call me Shadow. This is a gaming channel, and this channel I am something like that. And yeah. Oh wow. I like my best friend. He's always going to be my best friend. So yeah, waiting for my dad at C-Town. So yeah, shout out to him, Shadow Walker. Plus, if you did not catch the last upload, there's a tip. But I'm not gonna show you anymore. If you whoa. Phone also. If you wanna check out that upload, be sure to go click my channel, Pick a Block, subscribe, like this video, and go check it out. Check out that video. It was extremely insane, and I think was one of the best videos I have ever done. Oh, but like we said, waiting for my dad takes too long in C-Town. Well, let's see what happens. Well, my dad just got here. Now we are in the way to... ¿Pa dónde vamos? Okay, so he said that I'm going nowhere. I don't even know where I'm just, but plugging and chugging 25 miles an hour. Nah, but it's good. We're going there. Well, be back, guys. Just imagine how much snow there it is. Wow. And it's still snowing. Oh, wow. Going up here. Gotta say, the Platinum is doing incredible. Wow, this is doing exactly the way. Oh, freak. Let's see how the Platinum does here. Uh-oh. Oh, she will do it. Yeah, I got 500. Yeah, she did it. Of course. Why would I thought that the Platinum would never do it? Waiting for this dude to get out and be on PNC Bank. I just got out. Just show you guys how much snow there it is. I'm gonna show you right there because it looks really clear. So if I put my hand inside, just take a look of how much that is. If I put my hand, it's about 2 inches. 2 inches of snow. And yeah. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. It's fun to drive a pickup truck on the snow. And as you guys, well, I did not post this video on YouTube, but I think on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I post something about this tire. Got a flat tire. I mean, it's hard. I don't hear no, no sound about, like, you know. But my thinking is that it has a nail on it. But I don't feel any nail, so yeah, I don't feel any something. So let's see when I take her to get service, because this truck does need service. It's new rotors, new brakes, and yeah, plugging and charging, guys. We're backing up. Reverse. 360 camera. I actually love that feature from the Platinum. Oh, see. Snow. Oh, truck. That looks nice, to be honest. That's sweet. Oh my God, it's a woman who's driving that. A woman. Oh wow. I don't say nothing about women. I don't say nothing. But a woman driving that old truck is really, you don't see that at all now. So there's no snow on this little hill. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Camera fall. But in fact, when we come up here, there it is. Snow. So yeah, it's doing great. I mean, I know she will do it, but nevertheless, as you can see, there's a lot of snow. But yeah. Oh wow, that hill is completely covered. Stop it right here. No, she's not. No está. No te queda con esto. Oh sí, que ya se debe mudar de oficina, dijo.
Sí, pero todavía no, ya está ahí.
Well, imagine that.
Está trancado.
Well, this is bad. Not bad, not bad, but the Platinum is doing great, by the way. Oh no, why are you turning? Oh hell, papi, tú no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, we are done. Okay, we're not. Oh my God, I'm actually stressed. Oh, we're shit. Oh, we're shit. The truck actually stopped. I'm really impressed of that. My God, I love this truck. I love this truck so bad. This road is completely covered in snow. And yeah, not good. Not good. Ni te miro. El otro fue que te saludó. No, María. El viejo fue que te saludó. ¿Te vio? Okay, we're backing up. Well, there's no car. Can't see. Well, let me ask something to my friend and I'll be back. Quick question to a friend. But now we keep going in our storm in the Platinum. She's doing great, I gotta admit. She's doing great. I have never been proud of this truck like this much. God, I love this truck so much. Well, let's see what are the results here. We'll go in. 2 seat. that hill is completely covered in snow. As we talk on this one as well. Oh, wow. Nobody
Ahora, yo no
coming.
entiendo porque él trabaja, gana más o menos y la mujer es maestra.
¿De maestra de qué?
Perdiendo tiempo.
¿Maestra de qué?
Gastando en esta porquería. Aquí pagan 700.
¿Maestra de qué?
Y es maestra.
¿De qué?
De escuela.
Ella no me hace escuela.
¿Y qué?
Ella trabaja en Kiplis.
¿Qué es?
Es un hospital es como un hospital. Pero
Wow.
también dan clases ahí.
Be back, guys. Well, this road is
Supuestamente gana 20,
almost
19.
completely
19,
covered.
20 pesos.
Oh, Mercedes. Oh my god, let me see. Oh my god. Mercedes. Hey, sister.
Como 18, como 20 pesos la hora. Y él gana 18. ¿Por qué están corriendo tanto?
Eso puede tener un montón de chavos y que aprobar. Para que tú vayas a casa.
Tienen 250,000 pesos.
Porque dice que tú
Wow.
no tenían aprobado y ya tienes tu casa.
No, lo que pasa es que ellos están buscando una casa
Oh, the light.
perfecta. Están buscando y no se deciden.
Oh
Quieren
my
una
god.
casa
Buscar lo
perfecta.
que ellos quieren.
Ah,
El director le busca lo que ellos quieren.
bueno, ellos quieren una casa perfecta. Lo que está es que esto te enseña mi casa y casa, por lo que no te...
Sir, I think we're going to my house, to home, because
Que el aire a mí me gusta. Porque
I don't want to try. I don't want to keep driving
uno
on
de los
this.
mapas es el que pega. Pero la casa está
Keep
lejos.
driving on this winter. So
A mí no me
yeah.
gusta que ponen esa tierra.
Durante el seminario gratis para primeros compradores el sábado 18 de enero. En este seminario aprenderás sobre el proceso de compra, cómo ser elegible para préstamos, programas de asistencia para pago inicial, cierres y mucho
Pero
más.
hay un güey que hace muchas cosas y no sabe
El
eso.
sábado 18 de enero a las 10 de la mañana en el 682 North
Be back,
Brookside
guys.
Road.
Well, doing great in the snow, but I think might be the end of this video because I don't have no more action. But I was planning to end this video at my house, but I was gonna end it here, and yeah, I will end it right now. Wait, that magic did not work. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.